Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, December 2nd. This is my analysis of the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So, anyways, on the US dollar CAD, I think this is a big W, X, and Y, and I think eventually we probably are going to head down and make the wave C of this ABC of wave Y. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. Zoom out a little bit on the weekly. So on the weekly, I think this first whole push down is the A. I think this is all probably a wave B, and I think eventually we're going to go down and make a wave C to make that ABC of wave Y, because a wave Y should be a three-way pattern. Heading down to the daily time frame. Now the trend is definitely up on the daily. Right now we're in between this range right here. Until we actually break this low right here, we can't say for sure that this wave C is over. Definitely looks like it should be over because we have potentially 5 waves up. But a big mistake you can make with Elliot wave is when you see 5 waves up, you assume that the trend is going to end. I don't know how many times I've seen a perfect 5 waves up and then it just continues the uptrend. So don't assume that the market's going to turn just because you see 5 waves. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, the trend is still up. This move down looks pretty impulsive too. So I mean, this could end up turning into another ABC correction and continuing the uptrend. So if you see some sort of a three-way pattern to the downside, some sort of a nice Fibonacci bounce, a nice engulfing move to the upside at a Fibonacci level, then I would definitely take it as another long for the continuation of the uptrend. Taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, we got a nice little series of lower lows, lower highs, and then we have a break of that series. So this is either a wave A or a wave 1. That means that most likely we're going up now in a correction to this move down, either wave B or wave 2. So if it goes up to a Fibonacci retracement level of this push down and then turns down, that's when we're going to try to learn and earn whether it's a wave C or whether it's a wave 3. If it's a wave C, it'll probably go back to the 78% and then turn back to the upside, making a nice engulfing move to the upside and a very nice entry to go long for a wave C. If it's a wave 3, then instead of doing that, it might still bounce from a fib level, but it will most likely not break structure, and it'll just go down and break this structure, proving that it's a 1, 2, 3, and proving that this wave C is over on the higher time frames. So I would be very cautious about going short because the trend is up on basically every single higher time frame, and even though it looks like it should make an ABC or 1, 2, 3, I would primarily be looking for longs because even though it looks like it needs to go down, it might just make a little push down and just keep on trending up because the trend is up on all the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.